Hey guys, welcome to the next episode of Cooking with Master Chef Blake, and today we are doing Jamaican steamed fish. Now stay tuned guys, remember to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you. Alright, so now we'll move on to the first step, which is seasoning our fish. But before you do that, what I want to do is make 2 cuts on both sides of the fish. Now I had already washed and cleaned my fish with vinegar. So now I'm going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt on my fish. Sprinkle that in. One tablespoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. So I'm going to use half a teaspoon of black pepper. Just want to rub that right into your fish. Get some on the insides also. Alright, so after we have finished seasoning our fish, we're going to set this aside and allow the season to marinate into our fish. Alright? Now that we have seasoned our fish and set it aside to marinate, we're going to go right into cutting our ground seasoning. We have onion, scallion,
bell pepper, green and yellow, signified Jamaica, pumpkin, we can just dice our pumpkin, Irish, okra. Now these are very small, so we're just going to cut them in half. Carrot, scotch bonnet pepper,
thyme, cut in half. Alright guys, so here we have all our ground seasonings prepped and ready for our steamed fish recipe. On to the next step. Now we're gonna turn our flame on to high. Place a frying pan onto our stove. Allow this to become seasoned. As we all know, allow it to become hot. So now that our frying pan is hot, we're gonna have, now we'll add 1/4 of a stick of butter into our pan. Allow this to melt. So whilst our butter is melting, we're going to add all of our veggies that we have chopped earlier. Allow these to saute. Alright guys, so while our seasoned saute, we're gonna open our grease cock soup flavored mix and pour it into a bowl. Then we add 2 cups of warm water to this. Stir it to get all the seasonings and flavor in the water. Get your colander and then strain your grease hot soup water into the pot. We do not need these noodles for our steamed fish. Just mix it around. And I'll go ahead and add my corns. Cover my pot and allow this simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so now all our veggies are finished cooking, so we're just gonna go ahead and add our fish into our sauce, yeah? Just gonna go ahead and then we'll just cover our pot and allow this to simmer for the next 5 minutes. Alright guys, so here we have it. Just after 5 minutes, our fish is finished and ready to be served and eaten.